This is Eva getting up on the rocks because she's stupid. She doesn't think before she jumps into the ocean. That's the only slippery rock. Once you get to these, you're fine.
I'm gonna slip like a fucking
No te preocupes, just do it. You can't do it? Hey, I swear to God, if anything, Robert's probably getting a nice vision, nice view right now. Anthony.
What, bro?
Eva, just jump back in. You can't get up out of the water.
Shut up. Hold on, I'm doing it.
Bro, shut the fuck up.
I got this.
If you got a problem, I've got abs of steel.
You're so stupid.
She's got it.
Bro, those guys talk so much shit. Are you listening to them? They're like, bro, check that ass out.
That's because they don't got fucking shit.